Hello everyone. So today I would like to guide you how to fold a hurt key. So it's very easy. So the first step we will have to fold the W in half horizontally. Alright, and then fold the bottom edge to the upper edge. And turn over and do the same with the other side. And now you fold the edge once again. Now open the view and you can see the crease we have made. So it's very important to have the crease. Make sure you can see the crease very clearly. So you fold the corner. Let me turn it to the left to make it easier to see. And the other one. Alright, open it and do the pencil fold. So folding origami can take your time, but it will help you relax after very hard working day. So you have to pay attention to every step you do. Okay, and now I have the head of the model. And you can see the edge here. You have to divide into the two parts and then you bend it into equal ones. This step to make sure you divide into the right partition. And now you flat fold. now on the tip, you fold it. It will be the upper part of the heart. Now you can see a small tip. You fold it back and fold it behind to make the heart look more beautiful. We now turn the over. On the other side of the view, you fold it across like this. And now follow my instruction. Okay, after the folds, you will have the crease. And now make sure you can see the crease you have made clearly, and then you fold it into the center. Okay. Yeah. Alright, now turn it back and put the edge to the center line. Now you can take the upper part and do it at the same. And now for the corners one again, to have the crease, you can do it 4 times. Open and fold back the edge. Yeah, I can do it slowly to make sure you can understand it. So if you don't understand this step, you can comment under my video and then I will help you. Okay, I finished one, and now is the lower part. If you miss it, you can fold this one again, and then fold it behind the view. Make sure you can fold twice on maybe more to have better crease, because crease is very important. It can make the model more okay, and bend the view. Okay. And now this is the last step. You fold it in half of the tail, and you can have the key shape. Yeah. For this part, paper is a little bit thick, so you can make it smaller a little bit, and then it will maybe easier for you to fold. Yeah, and now you can use this to trim the key, and here you are the hood key.